Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Insha'Allah ta'ala, today we will analyze the 13th ayah of Surah Mulk. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Now this ayah begins with the word وَأَسِرُّوا. Now here, circle your lips for the letter Waw, give it 1 count. Your Hamza is given 1 count and keep it light. Join your Seen with the Ra, make your Ra heavy and give it 2 counts. Now moving on to the next word, which is قَوْلَكُمْ. Now here your Qaf is a letter without air, so do not mix the makhraj of Qaf with the letter Kha. Okay, don't read it like Khaw. It's Qa, Qa. قَوْلَكُمْ. Your Qaf should join with the Waw. This is Waw Liniya. So what will you do? The sound of it should be Qaw, not Qa. قَوْلَكُمْ. The lam should be given 1 count. Join your kaf with the meme and run your meme for moderate time. Now here, the Hamza is a light letter, give it 1 count. It's just with the fatha. Then join your Waw with the Jim. Now here your Jim should be read with qalqala without air. Awija. Don't read it like awija. Don't emphasize your qalqala too much that it sounds like a fatha. It should be normal bouncing, normal qalqala. Wijharu. Ha should be given 1 count. Your Ra should be given 2 counts and it should be heavy. Now here, the letter Ba is like the letter Ba joins with the Ha, because while stopping, what will you do? You will give your Ha a sukoon. Now here you have this sign which says that it is better to continue, but you can take a pause. Okay, so it's better like we stop over here. So how do we stop? We give this Ha sukoon over here. So we read it like B and run your Ha here. Join your Ba with the Ha and run your Ha. Okay, now moving on. Now you have this word innahu. Now this is a word which you are familiar with already. So what will you do? You will join your Hamza with the Noon Mushaddad. Give your Noon Mushaddad Akmal Gunna, that is most complete Gunna. Your Ha should be given 2 counts. Then coming to this word, now you between these 2 words you have this meme which indicates that this is a rule which is iqlab. You know this rule already. So what will you do over here? This actually rule indicates that the noon which was there in this tanween, the noon sakina, is now changed to meme. So how will you read this? Alimum bidati sudur. Okay, so stretch your unna for your iqlab. Give your Ba 1 count. Take care of the makhraj of dal and give it 2 counts. Join your Ta with the Sod. Read your Sod heavy. So, do not read it like Seen, not so. It should be so heavy. So. And your Dal should stay light. Don't make it do, not do. It should be do, light. So, do, or. Your Ra should be heavy at the end. Inshallah ta'ala. Practice well with the Shaykh. Inshallah ta'ala. Jazakum Allahu khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.